In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Sites in just about 5 minutes. This straightforward guide is perfect for anyone looking to refresh their website with new content, images, or changes in design, ensuring your site stays up to date and engaging for your visitors. First things first, you'll need to access your Google site. So, you're going to start by signing into your Google account. Head over to the Google Sites website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've done that, click Next, then type in your password, and finally click on Sign In again to access your dashboard. Next, you're ready to select the website you want to update. On your Google Sites dashboard, you'll see all the sites you've created. Look through them and click on the one you wish to edit. Don't worry if you have several sites, take your time to find the right one. Now, for the fun part, making the actual updates. Once your site is open, you're free to start making your changes. This could be anything from updating text, changing photos, or even altering the layout. Google Sites is quite user-friendly, so feel free to explore different editing options to make your site look exactly how you want it. Remember to review your changes as you go, ensuring everything is just perfect. After you've made all your updates and are satisfied with how your site looks, it's time to republish it. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right of the screen, and click it. This step is crucial because without it, all the edits you made won't be visible to the public. Before you finalize, Google Sites offers a helpful feature that allows you to preview your changes. It's an excellent way to compare the before and after, ensuring all the updates are precisely how you wanted them. To use this feature, simply click on Currently Published, which will show you what's live on the web at the moment. From there, you can assess if any further edits are needed. When you're completely happy with all your updates and the comparisons look good, it's time to officially publish your site with all the new changes. Go ahead and click the Publish button again. This action will update your site, making all the recent changes live for your visitors to see. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Google Sites website. Not too complicated, right? Updating your website regularly is crucial to keeping it fresh and engaging for your visitors. It's also a great way to improve your site's visibility and performance. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful, whether you're updating your site with a new content, changing an outdated layout, or simply refreshing some images. Keeping your website up to date is now something you can easily do in just a few minutes. Stay creative, and see you in the next tutorial.